Ki Nongïalam kaseng Kongres Meghalaya ki la penpau ba ki Ïeng bat ki bor ya dari hakatma persya ya ki kam Lehnoh ki ba pentriam ya kari India. Hapakran sikilat pathai kubor ba Manuel Badwar Secretary ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ulaong bakum hakani kapor baro ki deiban ya Ïeng telilang bat ka sarkar India. Ulaong bakum kari ka bayar kam deiban tusya nyon ben henry ka deiban Ïeng yele persya bat ban pen I sya ka parthai ba ka Ïeng halaka jong ka nongrim.
See, what do I think about this? We need to be heart and soul with our forces, okay? We need to be heart and soul with our defense forces. We need to be heart and soul with the country. We are, after all, Indians. And Project Sindoor, as the name signifies, it is only being aptly named after the massacre of especially young couples, isn't it? Newly married husbands and so on and so forth. We've lost a lot. And I think the whole nation has to be together with the government, with the nation, and with the public at large. And we, as a country, we're about to become the third largest economy in the world. We're not small anymore, yeah? Where's Pakistan? Pakistan is nowhere to be. So why can't we stand together? And we have to fight. We have to fight. We have to show the world that we are also standing our ground. We should not be bullied. We should not be bullied. We should this proxy war that is being fought by Pakistan, especially in Indian soil, should not be tolerated by any means, by any government, and by any, so to say, Indian. And we are all Indians at this, and we should stand as one.
Pej bahagi ki sharp plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya